Hello, in today's video I will showcase how to paint a hello world using a C program. First open a code editor and save the file .c. So write has include stdio.h. This line includes the standard input-output library stdio.h and which provide functions like printf and scanf for input-output operation. Next line, int main. The int main is the entry point of a C program. Every C program must have main function. Next, printf hello world. This printf function is used to print format output to the console. Here print hello world in the console. Next, return 0. The return statement is used to exit the main function and that the value 0 indicates successful program execution. And last one, this closing bracket marks the end of the main function. And save and run the terminal. Hello world. This way, using C program, you print or display hello world. Thank you.